Earn 5 Kula for completing the LinkedIn social bounty. Hold at least 600 Kula. Follow the Kula LinkedIn page. Invite 3 of your friends to follow Kulaplaza and share one of their posts. Locate the LinkedIn bounty section on the airdrops and rewards page. Copy the link to follow the Kulaplaza LinkedIn page, and click on it. Click on follow. Share at least one of the Kulaplaza posts. Type a message and click on post. Click on view, in order to view your post and make a screenshot, as you will need it later. Once you have made your screenshot, you can click on My Network, followed by Connections. Invite at least 3 of your friends to follow Kulaplaza by sending them the link you saved earlier. Once completed, you can log in to your ICO account to claim the LinkedIn bounty reward. Select Bounty from the menu. Locate the LinkedIn bounty and click on Apply. Provide your username in the notes, add the screenshot and click on Submit. Once you have successfully completed the bounty, 5 Kula tokens will be added to your Kula ICO account upon approval by Kulaplaza. Check out the other bounties to earn even more rewards.